Hello everyone, I'm Mariam from Data is Good, working as a data science evangelist. At Data is Good, we have trained thousands of students in our live classes and helped them make successful data science careers. If you are new here, then please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the updates, the new content, and do not miss out on anything. In this video, we are going to learn about confidence intervals. So without any delay, let us get started. What is a confidence interval? Well, in statistical inference, one wishes to estimate population parameters using observed sample data. A confidence interval gives an estimated range of values which is likely to include an unknown population parameter. The estimated range being calculated from a given set of sample data. In statistics, a confidence interval is a kind of interval calculation obtained from the observed data that holds the actual value of the unknown parameter. It is associated with the confidence level that quantifies the confidence level in which the interval estimates the deterministic parameter. We can say that the confidence interval is based on the standard normal distribution where the z-value is the z-score. A confidence level represents the proportion, that is, the frequency of acceptable confidence intervals that contain the true value of the unknown parameter. In other words, the confidence intervals are evaluated using the given confidence level from an endless number of independent samples, so that the proportion of the range contains the true value of the parameter that will be equal to the confidence level. Mostly, the confidence level is selected before examining the data. The commonly used confidence level is 95%. However, other confidence levels are also used like 90% and 99%. Now let us look at the formula of the confidence interval. The confidence interval formula in statistics is used to describe the amount of uncertainty associated with a sample estimate of a population parameter. It describes the uncertainty associated with a sampling method. You can see the formula of the confidence interval on your screen. Confidence interval is equal to x bar plus minus z into s divided by the square root of n. Here x bar is the sample mean. Z is the confidence level value. S is the standard deviation of the sample and n is the sample size. The value after the plus minus symbol is known as the margin of error. Please note that this interval is only accurate when the population distribution is normal. But in the case of large samples from other population distributions, the interval is almost accurate by the central limit theorem. Before practicing an example, have a look at the table of the confidence interval and the z-value. You can see the table on your screen. In this table, the z-values for the confidence interval are given. Let us now look at an example. In a tree, there are hundreds of apples. You are randomly choosing 46 apples with a mean of 86 and a standard deviation of 6.2. Determine if the apples are big enough. Take the confidence level as 95%. In this example, we have a sample mean that is x bar equaling 86. Standard deviation, that is sigma, is equal to 6.2. Size of the sample, that is n, is 46. As we have to take the confidence level as 95%, we can see the z-value from the table is 1.96. Substitute these values in the formula of the confidence interval. 86 plus minus 1.96 into 6.2 divided by square root of 46. After calculating this, we get 86 plus minus 1.79. So here 1.79 is the margin of error. Therefore, all the hundreds of apples are likely to be in the range of 84.21 and 87.79. Well, I hope that you have understood the concept of confidence intervals properly. If you guys have any doubts or any confusion, then do let us know in the comment section. We will try our level best to clarify all your doubts. In case you have any suggestions or any sort of feedback, we would love to hear that as well. Please mention that in the comment section as well. Well, that is all for now, and I will meet you very soon in another video. Until then, keep learning and stay safe. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Bye.